I tested one of the most popular fitness AI apps in the world to see if it could think like a personal trainer. And overall, it's impressive. But this AI fitness app is missing one very important thing. And it changes everything. Every AI fitness app that I review on this channel must go through my 5-point scorecard, which involves: is it beginner friendly? Does it save time? Does it feel smarter than a YouTube workout? Will it keep progressing me? And is it worth paying for? Fitbod is an AI fitness app that builds strength-based workouts using AI. It adjusts your programs and your workouts based on what you put into it. It adjusts based on what size gym you're in, if you've got a home gym, if you've got no equipment, if you've got some equipment, if you're in a big gym or a small gym. It promises adaptive programming without needing a trainer. And that's the pitch. The setup took about 10 minutes. You input your equipment, your experience, and your strength levels. That's a good sign. More data should mean smarter programming. Okay, so let's go through my scorecard that I use for every single AI fitness app. 1. Is it beginner friendly? Yes, and this is one of Fitbod's strongest areas. The interface is clean, nothing feels cluttered. You select your equipment, your experience level, and it builds a workout immediately. Each exercise has a clear demonstration. You can see exactly what the movement should look like. And for someone brand new to the gym, that really matters. When it comes to buying a fitness app or just using a personal trainer in general, those two are both very similar decisions that people make. Some people run into decision fatigue where they spend too long deciding what they should do and they end up doing nothing. Using Fitbod completely removes that. You sign up and you're into it straight away. No sitting down and talking to a trainer for 3 hours. You don't have to think, you just follow what Fitbod says and programs for you. And from a beginner standpoint, this app lowers friction dramatically. Okay, so on to question 2. Does this app save time? Absolutely. You don't design a program, you don't choose exercises, you don't track progression manually. You open the app and the workout is ready. For busy professionals, parents, anyone short on time, that's really powerful. Planning is often the barrier. This removes it. Time efficiency is one of the strongest arguments for AI fitness. All right, question 3. Is it smarter than a YouTube workout? I would say sometimes. On the app, when the weight suggestions match your ability level, this app does feel intelligent. It increases load gradually, it rotates muscle groups, and it tracks fatigue. And that right there is already way more adaptive than a YouTube workout. But I still had to override recommendations. There were sessions where it suggested weight increases that didn't match how I was feeling. It doesn't know if your right shoulder is tight, it doesn't know if your sleep was poor, and it doesn't know if you're feeling fatigued that day. That's the difference between AI assistance and a human judgment. Will Fitbod keep progressing you? I would say mostly. It tracks volume, it tracks muscle recovery, it tracks historical strength data. Okay, so for beginners and intermediates, that's way more than enough to push you forward. But for advanced lifters, they may plateau using this app. Programming can start to feel repetitive and progression can become conservative. It will move you forward, but it may not optimize you. Okay, on to question 5. Is it worth paying for? Well, that depends. If you're new to lifting and you're super busy and you hate planning workouts, this might absolutely be worth a subscription. If you're advanced and highly structured and enjoy planning your own workouts, you may not get enough added value out of this app. The value to Fitbod isn't in having perfect AI. I would say the value is all about lowering that friction point of starting a workout and continuing to do the workout in a planned and structured way. But remember what I said at the beginning. There's one very important thing missing from this AI app. There's no audio in the instructional videos. No coaching cues, no form reminders, no voice guidance. Without audio guidance, it becomes a video library, not a coach. And as a trainer, for beginners, that's a very big deal. And why this matters is because form cues are so important. For me, a fitness app should have way more audio cues for their clients or their users, because that's a huge part of personal training. A personal trainer doesn't just show you the exercise, they coach you through the exercise. And for me, this is where Fitbod AI app really does fall short. Programming is only half of coaching. The execution is the other half. Okay, so this is the final verdict, a little recap on Fitbod. 1, is it beginner friendly? Yes. 2, does it save time? Yes. 3, is it smarter than YouTube workouts? Sometimes. 4, is there progression? Mostly. And 5, is it worth paying for? I would say it depends. Fitbod for me gets a maybe. If Fitbod AI fitness app added audio coaching cues, this app would be completely different. And until then, it's just a smart workout generator. It's not really an AI coach. Subscribe if you want honest AI app and AI fitness product reviews, and tune into my next video, which is going to be Fitness AI.